Checking in the documentation with this motherboard tells us that this motherboard requires PC3200, otherwise known as DDR400 memory, which comes in the form of these 184-pin DIMM memory modules. We've bought two 512 meg modules. That'll give us a gigabyte of RAM, and these two modules are absolutely identical, so that 1 gig of RAM will be accessed in dual channel mode. Installing the memory is very simple. All we need to do first of all is check where the notch is within the card. You can see the notch cut just here, and then we match that up with a break within the socket. All we have to do now is insert the card at 90 degrees to the motherboard into the slot, starting off with these two white retaining arms pushed outwards to their full extent, and now we just push the card straight down into place. And as we push the card down, you see these two retaining arms snap into place and lock in to the two semicircular notches that we've got cut either side of the card. Now what we need to do is repeat that process with the second card. We now have our 1 gig of RAM installed.